Yeah, g'day guys. Welcome to my Stacker review. I'm inside the members area right now of Stacker, which is a new release by Brian Winters. Just came out today, actually, December 4th. It's actually really, if you're looking to do something with review pages, attractive pages to send viral traffic to, whether it's paid or it's free. There is a free traffic element in here for those that are that really are balling on a budget. So this really does accommodate everything for you. So I'm just going to quickly duck into my bonuses. I'm giving my biggest bonus away for this one, and I've just stacked it for you guys. No pun intended. So basically, what I'm giving away is I'm giving away Rebuilds, which is a new release that we just done between Mark and myself, and I'm giving 100% license rights away as well. So that means that you'll be able to cash in on rebuilds at 100% of the commissions, and we also have a rebuild product in there, a membership where you can have a monthly recurring income coming through at 100% commission. So definitely worthwhile jumping on there, guys. This retails at around about $97, and you'll get that on top of all this. You'll get the Method X all upgrades, you'll get Infusion all upgrades, you get Phoenix all upgrades. You're getting a wealth of pages, you're getting a wealth of money pages, swipes to use for email marketing, the training, and the breakout code, which is my baby really, which is how I do business on a daily. So this is how I've literally generated close to over $300,000 in commissions in the last year. And I'm just going to show you my stats so I'm not lying. I'm just going all time. I can go year to date as well, and I've generated nearly $328,000 in combined earnings. That's both sales here and an additional 10 grand in recurring as well, just on the Warrior Plus network, and that's not including ClickBank or anything. So guys, as you can see, so year to date, most of it has been this year. So like I've done over 300 grand in affiliate earnings as well. So you'll get access to the breakout code on how I do my business daily. Literally, I've exposed it all. We usually retail the front end for $12.95 and all the upsells. And I've got a masterclass here, basically how I build my funnels and everything. So you guys will get that. Just a couple of small bonuses here as well, just to put a bit of icing on the cake for you guys. Stacker is around about $18 so you'll definitely be able to get access to all this just for a small $17 investment. So it's well worth it. Now I'm just going to duck back inside the members area, guys, of Stacker, where you can actually build pages. The functionality is actually pretty good. So I'm going here, you can update product logo, you can upload image headlines if you wanted to. You'll get all the functionality. You can custom delivery bonuses, auto delivery, upload selfies of yourself, count times, you keep them all. You don't have to select any of these. You can just choose what you want on how your pages will look, and then what you'll do is that you actually go into Stacker funnels, and once you start a new funnel, it'll actually look like the pages actually look like this. So I'm just going to jump into a view, and this is one of the pages that was built earlier, and actually you can see it's actually quite like a decent page. Like you can view it. There's a video right here. It has video embedded. It's got timers. So guys, it's plenty. The pages are actually quite decent, and you can actually go in and look at like a few different ones. There's a whole ton of them. So as you can see here, just pure examples of like Stacker bonus delivery. Another one here. See, bonus bundle, monster modes. Got a couple there looking over the water. All that sort of stuff. So guys, if you don't have anything and you want something simplified for bridge pages or anything like that when you're running traffic to it, this is actually quite good. Like if you don't want to buy a Stacker just for the Stacker and you just want to grab my bonuses, you're more than welcome to do that. Just grab it and you'll get Rebuilds license rights. I'll have the code in there so you can apply for your link. If you already have access to Rebuilds and you're already an affiliate for Rebuilds and you're just at 50%, just hit our support team up and we'll get you bumped up, and we'll be able to get that going for you. So guys, it's definitely worthwhile jumping on to Stacker. I think it's a great product. Brian is, so you got a shit ton of funnels. So 129 funnels, you guys, that you can use, that you can edit, you can copy, and you can do all that. So it is well worth a $17 investment. It's better than probably for some people starting out. It's better for then instead of like paying $97 a month for GrooveFunnels or ClickFunnels or anything like that, you'll have something that's evergreen that you can jump onto and start making pretty cool pages like this. So I find it'll be well worth the investment when you're starting out. Even if you're seasoned, if you're looking for something, a different delivery page, it's definitely worthwhile. So guys, definitely jump on to something like this. When you can get pages delivered like this on a platter, especially in this, because I go through a lot of on how to build pages, and this simplifies it. You can have a page build literally in 5 minutes rather than stuffing around on ClickFunnels or anything like that for hours. You get it quite simplified doing this as well. And they've also got free traffic as well. So as you can see here, funnel visitors, 85 visitors there. You're going to get in, also you get like bonuses as well inside the product. So Brian's actually loaded it up with a whole bunch of bonuses for you guys as well. So definitely worthwhile jumping on. It's a quick review, but guys, if you just want to buy it for the bonuses, that's good. It's strictly through my affiliate link. So just click on this orange button here or up here below the video, and you'll be able to get access to the sales page. It will take you over to the sales page for Stacker, and I'll just go over there. I'll show you the sales page so you guys make sure that you know that you're purchasing the correct product. You'll come to this page here. Just simply click on add to cart, and then what you want to do is that you want to actually, let's go back here. We'll turn this video off so you can actually hear what I'm saying. Alright, so you want to go add to cart, and what you want to do is that you want to actually go for the Stacker Pro. So so you can either get, you know, a trial, or you can go add to cart. And that's not the one. You can go Stacker Basic, and you can get it for $17, guys. So definitely well worth it. If you want Stacker Basic, you can go $17 one. If you want Stacker Pro, you can pay the $64. But the price is increasing. So if you want to just get it for the $17, you can get the bonus here, guys, for $17 here, and I'll get that keyed in for you. All right. So, all right. Thanks very much. You know, for jumping on. I look forward to you guys getting in. And if you pick up just the Stacker Basic, you'll get the bonuses. If you want the most popular Pro, I'm going to add in actually my access to my inner circle. So if you want to grab the Stacker Pro, guys, I'm going to give you access to my inner circle. So that's going to have trainings, everything like that as well. So if you jump on through this one, I will give you access to my inner circle as well, only if you grab Stacker Pro. Alright guys, cheers very much, and I'll take care.